Okay guys, this 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia is presented you from TJ Chapman Auto. This is a rebuilt title, had right front damage, all been fixed up. It was wrecked. It's been driven out for a little while. I think we took it in on trade. This is a all-wheel drive. It's like 35,000 miles on it. Super cool looking car, great bang for the buck. Red brakes on there. Take a closer look here. See those red brakes. Dual sunroof. Power windows. Let me start this up for you. About 36,000 miles on it. Cruise control, park assist, all your different drive modes, smart key, remote start. Backup camera. Power seats. It does have some wheel damage on this wheel. A few little scratches here and there. Sure, a little black touch-up would hide those pretty well. This wheel, you know, a little bit. Make sure we're doing full disclosure on this. Right, little scratch there. The rest of it looks pretty dang good. Close up of that front bumper. Looks like that was just a bug. Check out all our inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.